Alright, this is Fred here. We're in a 2002 Jeep Wrangler. It's got about 185,000 miles on it. I'm going to be changing my oil to tribodyn oil. This is something Tatro is working on. So this is my experiment to see if things get improved. So the Jeep originally, when I got it, was pretty beat up. I think I told you about that in a previous film. Thing wouldn't even go 45 miles an hour down the highway. Of course, it doesn't do much more than 55 or 65. It's kind of dragging. Now, eventually, we're going to put a new engine in it, but for now, we'll see what's got going on. So we're in Coronado. You can see the bridge in the background, and the experiment's going to be running about 2,000 RPMs and see what the speed is and how the car performs. I was expecting a lot less traffic, but we'll work on it. See what happens. Okay, we're going to go across the bridge, come back across, go across again, and see what goes on. Alrighty, here we go. That's our Coronado golf course there. This is going up highway, just about to go on the Highway 75 across the Coronado Bridge. Won't pass anybody going up this hill, by the way. Normally get in the right lane and just make my way to the top and then pass people on the way down. So here we go. 2,000 RPMs, we're hitting 45. Up there, it's going up to a little bit higher. This is floorboarded. That's San Diego out there. Great view. Running right at 50 at 2,000 RPMs, 50 miles an hour. Pretty good once I get to the top, but oh shit, okay, this isn't good. And then there's my squeak. So one of the reasons why we're changing this thing out. South San Diego, and that's North San Diego. This is how I come to work every day, so it's kind of cool. I'm going against traffic. I think coast downhill pretty good, but exit here and then just turn right around and go back on the bridge, go up the hill, and then come back again. We're now coming into the barrio. At the barrio where they've done all the... There's my cheap pizza place, buck a slice. It's not worth the buck a slice. Instant indigestion. All right, here we go. This is a bigger challenge getting up this hill. Hopefully not too much traffic going up the hill as we go up. So we're under the bridge now. We're getting ready to go up the hill. Hopefully this motorcycle's not going up the bridge. Looks like it's an old beater. Alright. So once again, I'm going to run it up to about 2,000 RPMs. Keep it right at 2,000. Climb it up the hill. See if it does any better. Yep, 22. Get to 45 miles an hour. Yeah, working its way up. Another good view, going the other direction. Traffic. Alright. Coming down in Coronado, I think I was just going to do a U-turn here, but I think I'll go in and then it a little bit further up the road. It looks like it's blocked off anyhow. There's a U-turn I was going to take, but I think I'll go up to the next block and then come back around. Oh, the old toll road doesn't exist anymore. Happy holidays, everybody. Oh, this is gonna suck. Alright. I have to go to plan B here, trying to get around all this stuff. You know what? I'll come back. Alright, we're going to try this again. I don't know how traffic's going to go. Kind of crazy. All those people that were in line are trying to get over here, take a shortcut. Like they're going to sit in line for 15 minutes when they could have just done what I did and come back. Probably only 3 cars have gotten through since I did what I did. That was right there. All these cars are trying to do what that guy's doing right there. Anyhow, here we go. Oh shit, don't break them. Don't get a ticket. Traffic. There's the golf course again. We just saw that earlier. We're heading back up again. Gonna do again 2,000 RPMs and see what happens. And we'll go home. Well, I'm gonna go stop off at Tatro's and we're gonna go home and change the oil. Either do this again tomorrow or later on this afternoon. So about a little over 2,000 uphill. you're wondering, the weather is actually pretty good. I'm in flip-flops. Of course, I'm always in flip-flops, but shorts and flip-flops, and it's the 30th of January. Or 30th of December. About to be January. We're going to get to the top again and hit slow traffic. But that's all we were looking for. Downhill it goes good. Alright, we'll be back. So I'm back again. Managed to make a mess changing the oil. I bought a nice fancy bucket, and then because of the transmission, I did the pan, then dumped the oil in there. So I had to make a nice mess trying to empty that into the oil pan. Actually, I got the big one for the truck. Anyhow, so I've got the tribodyn MB ATF. I'm going to put that in the transmission fluid, and then we're doing with a multi-synthetic blend engine oil, not straight up synthetic, which is what we're going to put in the Duramax. This is the Jeep. I figured I ought to show you. It was a mess. That's the way it looked all over the place when I first got it. Anyhow, here we go. I started to fill up the transmission. Hopefully I don't spill it, which I've been pretty good at doing. Let the funnel stay in place. So there's that. Whoop. And slow down for it. So this takes 7 quarts. It said on the thing 7 quarts. That's 4. I'll do the other 3. Get that lined up, and then we'll come back and I'll show you me putting the oil in. So we're back to the golf course. Hopefully you can see that out there. So whatever, I'm sitting in the cab. It doesn't really show a good picture. Very light as we go outside. Anyhow, so we're in here. Changed the oil, transmission, and okay, we're back to the bottom of the bridge again. I don't think you can see that very well. Let's see. Anyhow, we're going to make another run. New oil, transmission, and engine oil. Gonna see what happens here. Seems like it's running better, smoother, better acceleration. Couldn't tell you exactly. Still got my squeak going on, but okay, here we go. Crap, it ain't gonna work. So here we are again. We're back at the bottom of the bridge. We're gonna start making another run. There's a guy golfing. I can't really see him. Last run we made, ran into some tourist who was doing about 40 miles an hour as we were crossing the bridge, so maybe we won't run into that. Here we go. Should be good now. Already doing better. Feel like it's struggling to get up this hill. like it's running better. Feels smoother. Gotta go back underneath the bridge and come back across the other way. Hopefully we won't run into the 40-mile-an-hour tourist. Here we go. Sunny and warm. New Year's Day. Can't beat it. I'll be out golfing this afternoon. Working on the truck. Look over here. Well, the barrier, the jacked up cars. Oil change didn't take care of my squeak, so it doesn't have anything to do with the engine or transmission. It's got to be something else. Nice having to make 2 runs across the bridge. The first one was totally unsuccessful because of slow traffic. What's that guy going? Alright, here we go. Right turn. Feels like it's getting there quicker, but we won't know until we compare the films. I think we're actually doing better. Get over your lane, dude. On that guy, that was pretty good. So I'm thinking this is a good deal. I'm not sure, we'll have to compare films, but that's it for now.